Welcome. This short video will review a sample student report that is available after each STAAR interim assessment. You may have been provided a copy of this report from your student's teacher. Here is a sample of a one-page report from a Grade 3 Mathematics interim assessment. At the top of the report, under your student's information, is the predicted STAAR performance level and scale score your student received on the assessment. Note, there are 4 possible performance levels on the STAAR interim assessment. Predicted to be did not meet grade level, predicted to be approaches grade level, predicted to be meets grade level, and predicted to be masters grade level. So what does this predicted STAAR performance level mean? Assuming a student's learning pace stays the same, the predicted STAAR performance level is what the student may achieve on the STAAR summative assessment based on this interim score. This assumes the student will continue on the same instructional path and maintain the same learning trajectory. Students who miss opportunities to learn, such as changes in motivation or attendance, are likely to score lower on the actual STAAR summative assessment than this predicted STAAR performance level. The next part of the report shows how the scale score your student received compares to the maximum possible score for this test. The scale score is the overall performance score. The table at the bottom of the page breaks down how well the student performed within the 4 content reporting categories. Reporting categories are groups of related knowledge and skills that students need to learn over the course of the year. How your student performed in each group is measured by 3 target levels: under, near, or above target. In this example, above target in reporting category 1 means the student was proficient in their performance and are able to successfully answer questions within this reporting category. Under target, as seen here in reporting category 4, means that the student scored below the expected level of performance for these standards and are in need of additional support and instruction to reach proficiency for STAAR summative. Near target, as seen here in reporting category 2 and 3, means that due to the small number of questions, there is not enough information to determine if they are actually above or below target in this reporting category. A second page of the report may have been provided by your student's teacher. The first column shows the question number. The second column identifies the standard that was assessed by that question. Each standard key is listed in the chart. The first number in the standard key is the grade level, which for this group was all grade 3. The second number is the reporting category. The last number and letter combination, for example 2D, identifies the Texas Essential Knowledge and Skills, or TEKS, for this grade level. The third column in the table is the actual language for the student expectation tested. Finally, the last column refers to how many points a student earned from the total points they could have earned for each question. Note that some questions are worth more than 1 point. It is important to also note that if a question is answered correctly, that does not necessarily mean that the student mastered that standard, as a single instance of a question cannot determine this. Thank you for viewing this overview of the STAAR Interim Assessment student results. If you have additional questions, please contact your student's school.